And the most important thing is that today we take a pledge within ourselves to do more to save the environment. It's very easy to fall back on our old habits, throw things out the car window, use plastic bags, but it's time, and it has been actually, it's over time, that we take those decisions that are going to make a difference. So today, each and every one of you have to practically understand when you go to the market, when you go to the shop, carry a cloth bag with you or just say no to plastic, whatever it is. Sometimes we just carry something small, and we take a big bag for it. Just carry it in your hand and go home. It makes a difference. Also, recycling. To reuse things that we already have. In India, ये तो हमारी परंपरा रही ही है कि हम reuse करें, recycle करें. So let's get back to that. Things that help nature instead of destroying her. So many beautiful things that nature gives us. It should be around for generations to come. So this evening, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be all about the cause, and there's going to be a lot of entertainment as well.
Very recently, I read this amazing paragraph online that just imagine if trees gave out Wi-Fi signals. Wouldn't we planting so many of them? But it's kind of sad that it produces something that we take for granted, and that's the oxygen that we breathe. So let's stop chopping them. The birds need the trees, we need the trees. And it starts at your home. Protecting the environment starts at your home. If everyone did just a little bit, like stop plastic, stop newspapers at your home. You have apps that you can download now to read these papers. It starts there. And if we could just do a little bit to protect the environment, very soon the protection wouldn't be needed anymore. And the environment would be protection free. So start now, stop these plastics and chopping trees, and use your apps to read newspapers and everything. Start with these little things. And the most difficult of all, which I kind of fight with, is try and be a vegetarian, and start with just once a day. Just make it a day that Sunday I'm not going to eat non-veg. It will help the environment, because animals are here to exist. They're not here to satisfy our stomachs. Just say one thing. I keep saying that my stomach isn't a graveyard. So try and be vegetarian and help the environment as much as you can.
We don't have money for petrol. This is an illusion. Yeah. So no, really, I really want to really appreciate everybody who's come here. And hopefully you'll become ambassadors of the cause, and you will spread the word. There's a very basic change, small change in attitude that we need to bring, but it's fundamentally, it'll change the way we behave. Our world, our city, our earth is not something that we've inherited from our previous generation. It is something we've borrowed from our next generation. Just remember that, and you have to find this, you have to leave this place cleaner and happier than you found it. This is something that we do. And we really think that it's a win-win situation. Taking public transport or cycling is good for your health, good for the earth, good for everybody.
Yeah, I want to give a big thank you to the Bhamla Foundation and Asif Bhamla Saab. It's a very good initiative, and thank you all for being here. मैं जानता हूँ कि यार लाइफ में बहुत संघर्ष है, बहुत स्ट्रगल है, और एनवायरनमेंट तो ठीक है, सभी है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सभी कर रहे हैं, और ये बहुत चलता है, एटीट्यूड सबका रहता है. आई थिंक कई चीज़ें, इनफैक्ट हमारे देश में ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. अगर आप दुनिया घूमोगे तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है. हमारे देश में थोड़ा कम है, इसलिए ऐसे इवेंट्स बहुत काम की चीज़ हैं. लिटरिंग अगर आप कम करेंगे, अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखेंगे, तो एनवायरनमेंट का भी ख्याल हो जाएगा. आप चल के जाओ, साइकिलिंग करो, कार इतना यूज़ मत करो, लिटर मत करो. और मैं टीचर नहीं हूँ और ट्यूशन नहीं दे रहा हूँ. ये तो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं. आप कहीं भी दुनिया में जाओगे तो ये चीज़ें आपको करनी ही पड़ेंगी. तो हमारे देश में रह के हम क्यों नहीं करते. थैंक यू अगेन आसिफ बामला साहब. Thank you for inviting us here.
Thank you for having us
Viraj.
here.
Raghu Rajiv ji.
And Ruby is disappeared.
She's just coming back. She's
Why?
scared. She said, ये लोग आ गए अभी. Okay, I like to call Mrs. Alka Kerkar to please come on stage and felicitate the super dude roadies, Mr. Raghu and Rajiv.
You have to stop saying that.
No, you have.
Very
No, you are actually. We admit that. Mrs.
आप
Alka
शर्मिंदा
Kerkar,
कर रहे हो हमें.
please. The Honorable Deputy Mayor of the MCGM.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mrs. Alka Kerkar doing superb job from the BMC. Sapling
Wow.
given by Alka Kerkar ji to Raghu. and Rajiv.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Oh yeah,
Thank you.
I have lots
Oh,
of these
wow.
at home.
My wife
you.
really loves Kamlas. Thank you for this.
Thank you so much.
Seriously.
Thank you for having us one more time, and thank you.
Thank you so
I want you guys to sing with me, Jia Jaye Na. Jia jaye na, jaye na, jaye na, ore priya re. वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे मेरा बचपन का सपना था। एनवायरनमेंट डे जिन्होंने 500-600 साल पहले से पेड़ लगाए, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों की तरह उसको पाला। मैंने बचपन में देखा उस पेड़ को काटते हुए, सोचा था इसी पे काम करूंगा। वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे, और बचपन से पेड़ लगाता हूं। जहां भी शो होता है वहां जाके खुद हाथों से लगाता हूं।
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Asif and his entire team, his foundation, for organizing this every year. And this is a great platform for all of us, for all of you, to really come together with one voice on how we can save our environment.
आज सुबह सुबह my father was telling me, he said कि the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So to answer Ruby, who also is somebody who works so hard for so many causes, wonderful soul. What are we doing in our personal life? Plant as many trees as we can.
We talk global all the time, and we forget that the buck stops at us.
Very important to keep the city clean. Everybody should take initiative and start it from today if they are not started. Thank you.
वे जब मैं लिटरली आई मीन इट्स अ पर्सनल थिंग, बट शावर लेने हम जाते हैं, हम काफ़ी देर तक नलके को ऑन रखते हैं, पानी बहता रहता है, शैम्पू लगाते हैं आराम से। मैंने लिटरली एक बकेट में पानी भरा, आधी बकेट लगती है नहाने के लिए। तो आप सोचिए आप कितनी बाल्टियाँ सेव कर सकते हैं अगर हम इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ करें। ब्रश
करना है, थोड़ा सा करना है, थोड़े में हम बहुत कुछ बदलाव दे सकते हैं।
connected to the environment we live in.
This is something that needs to be done, has to be done, and should be done.
Just pay attention to small detail and be conscious of certain small actions that you do on a daily basis that will make a big difference in the bigger picture.
We constitute 1.2 billion of the world's population, and that gives us immense power to bring about the change our planet is calling for.
If we all come together and take the initiative, we can change its plight.
Every act counts.
Recycle, reduce and reuse.
I firmly believe that it's time people from all walks of life come together, support the cause in a concrete manner.
This effort has to be a collective effort.
I am doing my bit, so please join this day and do your bit.
I request all of you youngsters, the country's youth, to come forward.
To make a pledge, get out there and be the difference that you want to see in the world.
My share in safeguarding our planet, our home.
तो मैं सपोर्ट करता हूँ भामला फाउंडेशन के इस खूबसूरत पहल को।
I applaud and support the effort taken by Bamla Foundation
in raising awareness towards a green planet.
Let's raise our voice and come together.
5th of June.
Carter Road, Bandra, for this noble cause.
And save Mother Earth.